National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for northern Benton County in Tennessee, northeastern Carroll County in Tennessee, Henry County in Tennessee, until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Paris, McKenzie, Huntington, Paris Landing State Park, Brewston, Cottage Grove, Springville, Roughton, Vale, Hollow Rock, Puryear, Henry, Sunnyside, Spring Creek, Van Dyke, India, Mansfield, Manleyville, Porter Court and Old Springville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Benton, Carroll and Henry. Flood watch remains